Future Lobos. We would like to invite you to our 8th grade student and parent information night here at Los Amigos High School.
We know that transition to high school can seem daunting, so we'd like to introduce you to some of the people who will make the transition easier.
Come by and meet your new counselor who will guide you through your next 4 years at Los Amigos High School.
And if you're an athlete and you'd like to be a part of our athletic program, we can help you with that process as well.
We'll be here to answer all your questions and give you a sneak peek into your high school experience.
Please join us on Wednesday, March 30th at 5:30 p.m. in the Little Theater here at Los Amigos, and then stay for our open house celebration throughout campus.
We look forward to seeing you all on March 30th.
This is Los Amigos, and this is our pack.